Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the response on the last video was tremendous and I am extremely overwhelmed by it. So it gave me the motivation to make a new video for you guys. So on the last video someone just commented that asking regarding which books I use during my preparation or which books I refer. Apart from the coaching material, I am telling you that I am referring the Akash material and I have some LN modules also, but I am mainly using Akash. So but rather than those books, which books I'm using, so I plan to make a dedicated video on them. And I want to give a disclaimer that I am not promoting any of the books. Okay, so if you personally like them, you can have them. These are my personal experiences and everyone's level is different. Some are preparing for JEE mains and advanced, they might be taking more higher books but for the NEET level and as by my teachers to me. So here is the list of the books which I prefer, and if you want to check them, I will give the link to them in the description. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off with the chemistry NCERT are the most basic books, like you need for them for boards and all this stuff, and really they clears your basic. And apart from this, I use Arihant objective chemistry. Also cover some of the basic theories and concept, and more of the advanced concept are listed in them which are not given in the NCERT. And like they have a good number of challenging MCQs, like by step. Oh, you can refer them, they are really nice books. And apart from this, I use 32 years question bank of that NEET exam and also AIMS, but some of books are not available as I am not at my PG because of the lockdown. So these are the books I refer for chemistry, NCERT and NEET objective, MTG 32 years. Okay, so these are the three books like NCERT, Arihant. Okay, so now we will start with physics. So for physics, I personally refer RLS because it starts off with extremely basic questions. So as being a state board student, I really need that for an initial confidence boost to solve MCQs, because being a state board and NEET student. And I also have purchased SCB, but I never really use them. I also purchased DC Pandey, but that also I don't really use, like I rarely study from them. And apart from these, I use 32 year NEET question banks, and I didn't use NCERT for the physics, like I was never recommended to do so. So these are the books I use for physics, and you can have them, they are really nice. But if you have a far good level, you can move to further book. And for the advanced practice though, I really refer to my coaching notes and coaching MCQs. It's really covered in them, so I don't need a book for advanced level practice, but for basic I use them. Okay, so now moving on to the main part for the medicals, that is the biology part. So biology, you all know NCERT is the god book, is the bible for us. Okay, so NCERT basic, you cannot ignore NCERT and like expect you to select. So apart from these, I use MTG fingertips. It's a good book, it have a nice number of MCQs and you can really have them one book 1+2. Okay, both classes covered. Apart from these, I use Cengage BioNEET objective. It was given to me by a senior, so I have them, and with 32 year NEET question bank. So and I also purchased Truman biology. Okay, that I also have for my preparation, but it's currently not available at my place. So these are the books I use for my preparation for NEET exam, and like it was my first voiceover video, so I'm a bit nervous and I can't really speak nicely, so please adjust them and show some your love in the comment section. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video, and some of you guys can tell me I should continue with Hindi or English plus Hindi both. So thank you.